Luigi Mangione, the 26-year-old who has been named the suspect in the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson, was criminally cited last year by the Hawaii Department of Land and Natural Resources for going into an area that was closed inside a state park. According to the criminal affidavit, Mangione was cited on November 12, 2023, in Honolulu for knowingly, intentionally, or recklessly, failed to observe and abide by an officially posted sign authorized by the board or its authorized representative designating a closed area, to wit, a state park sign located at the Nu'anu Pali Lookout. In court records, Mangione was found guilty and had to pay a $100 fine. Family of suspected gunman releases statement through cousin, a Maryland politician. The family of suspected shooter Luigi Mangione released a statement Monday night through his cousin, who is a Maryland state delegate. "Our family is shocked and devastated by Luigi's arrest," Nino Mangione said in a written statement signed with the Mangione family. "We offer prayers to the family of Brian Thompson and we ask people to pray for all involved." The statement says the family only knows the facts of the case that have been released in the news. "We are devastated by this news," the short statement says. Pennsylvania Department of Corrections releases intake photo of Luigi Mangione. The Pennsylvania Department of Corrections has released an intake photo of Luigi Mangione, the suspect in the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Mangione, a 26-year-old Ivy League graduate from Maryland, was apprehended at a McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania, after an employee tipped off police that he resembled photos of the suspect widely distributed by New York City police. He did not enter a plea at his first court appearance Monday evening, which took place just hours after his arrest. Police release photo of Luigi Mangione in a holding cell after he was taken into custody. Photo tonight of Luigi Mangione, the suspect in the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson, in a holding cell after he was taken into custody on Monday. After a court appearance, Mangione was moved to the State Correctional Institution in Huntingdon, Pennsylvania. Suspected gunman made an apparent reference to UnitedHealthcare in manifesto, source says. The suspected gunman appeared to make a reference to UnitedHealthcare, writing that United is one of the largest companies by market capitalization in the United States, according to a law enforcement source who has read the document. There is no mention of Thompson specifically. Luigi Mangione is being held at the State Correctional Institution in Huntingdon, Corrections Department says. Luigi Mangione, the suspect in the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson, has arrived at the State Correctional Institution, SCI, in Huntingdon, Pennsylvania, Maria Bivens, Pennsylvania Department of Corrections press secretary, told CNN Monday evening. SCI Huntingdon is Pennsylvania's oldest state correctional institution in continuous operation, opening its gates in 1889, the state's official website says. Evidence obtained by police during search of Luigi Mangione will be sent to New York, source says. Much of the evidence officials obtained when they searched Luigi Mangione on Monday, including the multiple fake IDs, will be sent to New York when the suspect is transported back there, a law enforcement official told CNN, although it's unclear when the gun found in Mangione's backpack will be sent to New York. Investigators will be executing search warrants on all of Mangione's known home addresses and will look to collect electronic devices and anything else that could be evidence or point to motive, the law enforcement official said. It's unfathomable he's the suspect, former roommate of Luigi Mangione says. The idea that Luigi Mangione is the suspect in the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson is unfathomable, his former roommate RJ Martin told CNN's Erin Burnett Monday night. Martin said he's beyond shocked by the news. Martin said the two, who lived together in a co-living and co-working community in Hawaii, weren't just roommates, they were friends. He was a very thoughtful person. Communicated really well, was friendly, had good relationships with everyone. He was even, in some ways, a bit of a leader, Martin said. Martin said he interviewed Mangione before Mangione moved in to make sure he was a good fit. During the interview, Mangione told Martin he had a back issue. When I first interviewed him, before he moved in, I remember he said he had a back issue, and he was hoping to get stronger in Hawaii, Martin said. Martin said Mangione took a basic surf lesson that ended up leaving him in bed for about a week and that it was really traumatic and difficult. Martin also said Mangione had surgery earlier this year that left him with screws in his body. He sent me the x-rays, Martin said. It looked heinous, with just giant screws going into his spine. After that, he called me once, I didn't pick up. The communication between the two kind of fizzled out after that. Martin said Mangione never once talked about guns, never once talked about violence. He was absolutely a not violent person, as far as I could tell, Martin said. Meta removed accounts belonging to suspect in UnitedHealthcare CEO fatal shooting, spokesperson says. Meta on Monday removed the Facebook account and Instagram account belonging to the suspected gunman in the fatal shooting of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson, a company spokesperson confirmed to CNN.